Okay, so this is one of the newer Rangemasters. They have a complete new platform. They've changed the models up. There are little things like magnetic door catches, which mean that the doors are easier to open but will stay closed. This product is the Estel Deluxe. It's kind of a classic look. It has the glass window, kind of baker's door oven. It's got the small splashback, and it does come in a range of fuel types. The knobs have been designed to try and look like gas taps, and we think this is a lovely colour. This is the mint. It's available in other colours as well. We have brochures. They'll all be shown on the website, on the Rangemaster website and on the Wellingtons website. But if you want to come in and see the difference between the old models and the new, please do. Pop into the Erith store, come into the range, we'll leave you to browse, or we'll give you any information you need.